The forward thinking, the movement of freestyle motocross, taking a look at these 8 riders, some of which we don't even know. It's going to be incredible.
Well, yes, I mean, these guys have been, some of them have been flying over, staying with Travis Pastrana at his house and training every day for this event right here. This is Travis's brainchild. The biggest stuff we've ever seen go down on dirt bikes is about to happen right now. I was going to say, the suicide no-hand front flip off the mechanical ramp there.
The way he laid it out was so beautiful.
Oh, perfect!
Does it? Absolutely could not be better.
Came around, I don't know how he got around those bars at the last second. Gosh, double backflip, Superman and Oppo! And he loses it. So that would have been a catastrophic crash on just hardwood, dude. Hopefully he'll be able to come back and give us another run. And look at that. Way off the motorcycle with the Superman. Comes back to it and just gets a little too much height, a little bit too much rotation. Giving up, bringing it on right now. As he gets the front flip, Indian air, and lands it. That was a big step up from what we saw him do earlier.
Sends the same trick, comes around.
Oh! And more extension, if that was even possible on that.
Sheehan headed to the double back.
Oh, now the extension, and he rides out of it perfectly! Oh.
And we have seen some amazing things. Watch this extension.
Look at that, kiss of death. Brings it around, perfectly sticks the landing.
Yeah, absolutely honoured and yeah, grateful for Nitro and Travis.
We're jumping up and down up here. Wait until you see this trick from the side angle. First guy to congratulate him. Look at that. Hits the mechanical kicker, and he gets out.
Look at the extension. That is ridiculous.
Wow! And he holds it. Half of the trick he holds it comes around.
Nitro World Games just finished, and I just landed the world's first real front flip. I'm alive. Everybody's alive. Everybody's going home safe to their families, and it was an amazing night.
It looks like we're not waiting on this. Double front flip. Greg Duffy, we didn't even get up. He just rode out of a double front flip. We didn't even have time to build that thing up. Wow.
Pastrana on scene, of course, excited. Everybody's fired up. Travis, what an amazing moment.
What's
I
up,
can't even
brother?
talk right now. That's his. Yeah, he's one of the best racers. He's the only rider from America in this final. He has put his heart, he has put his soul, his family, his little girl are here watching, man. I tell you what, this guy deserves every bit. That was, if he over-rotated, he's going to die. Literally, the most insane thing I've ever thought. Smile for BC. Bruce Cook, I know you're watching at home, man. Love you guys.
Oh
The
my
excitement here is unbelievable, palpable for sure. Travis excited. Greg Duffy bringing the heat here in Utah at the Nitro World Games.
Woo! Woo! I'm pumped, man. I'm at a loss for words. Just so much going through my mind. Can't thank everybody enough. Yeah, as soon as I looked up and just realized that I was riding away, it was the best feeling ever. I'm Greg Duffy, and I just won FMX Best Trick.